How to dance triple time steps with semi-wings. You need to watch my video on how to do triple time steps first, and also my video on how to do semi-wings, because we're going to place the semi-wing in the middle of a normal triple time step. So you need to know how to do both before commencing with this video. So we're going to start with the right foot. Remember, triple has shuffle to the side. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. Change weight for the semi-wing, and then finish as a normal triple time step, tap, ball change. Left foot. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. So that's the start of your triple time step. Change weight, semi-wing, end normal triple time step, tap, ball change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. Change weight, semi-wing, tap, ball change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. Change weight, semi-wing, tap, ball change. Take it round the other way. Right foot first, copy behind. You should be doing the same thing with the foot at the same time. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. Change weight, semi-wing, tap, ball change. Now we start with the left foot. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. Change weight, semi-wing, tap, ball change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. Change weight for the semi-wing, tap, ball change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring. Change weight, semi-wing, tap, ball change. And fast. I only paused between each one so you could know when each one's finished. Let's try again. Fast. And